Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel I have the Impossible Whopper. So we are trying the Impossible Whopper today and I'm so freaking excited. I just left my job to go to lunch really quick. So if you guys hear car noises and stuff, it's because I'm in a very like commercial space. So there's like trucks and stuff going all over the place in cars. So forgive any noise that you might hear. But basically we got the Whopper. It smells just like a Whopper, I swear. We got 2 french fries in here for some reason. A ton of ketchup because I'm a ketchup fiend, as you guys already know. And I was gonna get a frozen Coke, but I forgot and I got just like a regular Coke. I'm gonna take pictures really quick. So let me show you guys how I just ordered this. Fucking bolting out the damn rain.
We're having a great day at Burger King. Hold on just a second.
Okay. Hi, can I have 2 Impossible Whoppers?
You want the Impossible Whopper? On the Impossible Whopper, would you like to go through the broiler?
No.
So you don't. Okay, so you want the sandwich only or you want the meal?
Can we do 2 sandwiches without the meal and then 1 with the meal?
Okay, when you don't run the Impossible through the broiler, it comes with no mayo. When you run it through the broiler.
9-piece chicken fried cheese meal?
No.
Oh my God, so many cars out here.
You had the 2 Whoppers. Seriously, show like this. They just boy. That's all.
I don't know. We got like 3 Whoppers.
Excuse me, did y'all have 3 Impossibles?
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
You too. In true Whopper form, this is just like spilling out lettuce all over my car. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so in order to get this vegan, you have to tell them, well, they actually ask you, because I'm pretty sure they trained all the Burger King, to not put it through the broiler. So it's not gonna be broiled like the other Whoppers are, so you can kind of see that the Whopper isn't as like charred or anything, which kind of saddens me because it doesn't even look like it's cooked. But in order to get it vegan, you have to say no, not through the broiler, and so they won't add any mayo, but they'll put like lettuce, pickles, onions, tomato, and ketchup. It just looks sad though. Like, look at that patty. It's not even like cooked. I'm definitely gonna go to another Burger King to see how they cook it. Why didn't they like toast it? I will say though that this big ass patty, because it's a pretty big Impossible Burger, is way cheaper than I've ever bought it anywhere else. Like for the whole meal, it's $7 and I think 79 cents. So super freaking cheap, and you get a drink and fries. Like, that is amazing. I'm just putting a bunch of ketchup on this because I'm a ketchup fiend. I'm like so excited. I haven't ate a Whopper in so freaking long, like I can't even deal. But here it is, basically that's what it looks like. Super thin. It's not gonna be like your super fancy Impossible Burger, but I mean, for an Impossible Burger, it is super cheap and I'm so excited that I can get it anywhere now. So let's bite into this. That is so good. Jesus. The only thing that I wish is that it was charred, because that would make it taste so much better. And that I brought vegan mayo because it would make this probably taste more like a Whopper than it does right now. If you guys don't know, the Impossible Burger is definitely my favorite. Sorry, I'm like eating with my mouth open. I mean, speaking with my mouth. I like never know what to do when I'm eating food and I'm filming a video. We live such in a weird age that our parents taught us not to talk with our mouth full, and then we now film ourselves eating and talking. Mukbang. This is so good. It reminds me of like, I don't know. It just reminds me of my childhood. Eating a freaking Whopper, french fries and a Coke, a super cheap meal. Would I buy this again? Hell yeah. I'm probably gonna buy one later from another Burger King. Am I gonna be ashamed for it? Hell no. Not at all. And because we're gonna have enough ketchup, we're gonna put some more on the french fries. This definitely hit the spot. I was hungry, I was starving. Lord. Sorry if you guys are like me and hate watching people eat food, but I had to do it for you guys. I literally had to do it to show you. This was released today. It's August, I don't even know what today is. August 8th. It was released today at all Burger Kings across the nation. Girl, go get yourself one because it's super cheap. Like, if you're like me, I work in like a somewhat urban neighborhood. There ain't no little like fancy restaurants around here that sell vegan food. I literally work right next to a Burger King. Now I can buy myself a vegan burger. Like, what? Times are changing. Oh my god. I'm so excited that my voice went high. And this is literally like the first place to even sell the Impossible Burger that is like a fast food chain. Everyone else does like the the Beyond Burger, which is also good, but this one right here, baby, the Impossible, literally really does taste like meat, and like I prefer it because I am the biggest cheeseburger fan out there. Like, I love me a cheeseburger all day, any day. Literally just like a year ago or 2 years ago, there weren't even these options. Yes, there were like vegan meat replacements. None of them tasted like a real burger. There's people staring at me recording and talking to a camera while eating food. But do you think I care? No, because I'm literally in love with this Whopper. Like, I am in awe of how many options we have nowadays. Like, the world is really changing, and it's because of demand. We got this in the bag, y'all. Okay, so for the final verdict, basically, it's good. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I would've gave it a 10, but two things. I'm gonna need some vegan cheese and vegan mayo, and I'm also gonna need this to have some color, because it looks kind of gray right now, which means that they obviously don't know how to cook this. I don't know how exactly they're cooking this, or where they're cooking it in. If it would've went through the broiler, it would've had like that nice grilled mark, nice broiling, some nice browning, and it would've brought out that meat flavor that Impossible Burgers has. However, since they don't do that for the vegan burger, it's impossible, no pun intended, to have that like taste. It is good, but as you can see, it's like pretty like gray looking. It doesn't really look like the brown that I'm used to when I'm eating an Impossible Burger. What I would probably do up until I can get this in like a grocery store to make it myself at home, I would probably buy this again and nothing on it, and I would probably bring it home and like cook it a little bit more, because it definitely needs to be like toasted and like caramelized, because there is just no like browning. So like that's why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. For convenience, for how cheap it is, for like how good it is without the browning, and just like getting it as a whole meal, that's another reason why I gave it a 9 out of 10. Like, this is amazing. This is phenomenal. I'm now about to call all my family members to go try it, because usually the Impossible Burger is like pretty expensive. I think sometimes I buy the burger just by itself with no side for like 14 bucks, and like some people can't afford that. Like, a lot of people can't afford that. I could barely afford that. Now you can get a whole freaking meal. About to call my mama, my grandma, my daddy, my everybody, because this is mad good. All right, so there you guys have it, my final verdict. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go pick yourself up a Whopper. I highly recommend it. Just be sure to bring your own mayo, your own cheese, and really, like, you can feed a whole family on Whopper meals because they're so cheap. It's only 7 bucks and you get 3 things with your whole meal. They also have apple pie there that actually happens to be vegan if you want a dessert as well. So check that out as well. I'm out of here. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias at lacomidadejeremie. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you can join the familia. We're on our way to 1K, and I would love to have you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.